Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a question.
Sure.
When I was in court with Judge Carter on June 20th, I raised the questions about a search warrant that was served on my home and my car that does not have a judge signature or identification on it, and it does not have the return search warrant.
Okay.
The judge instructed me to see a clerk about getting that information of who the judge is that signed the search warrant and the return search warrant.
Okay.
But he didn't tell me which clerk or which person or which office to
Okay.
go see.
You can probably check with Jessica, because she is Judge Carter's clerk.
Okay.
She's at the first window open.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, I don't even have that we have that search warrant in here.
That is,
Oh.
go ahead.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you down to customer service. I'll meet you down there so that I can explain to them kind of what's going on.
Okay.
They might have some additional information for you, but we don't have a copy of it here.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank
So
you.
I'll meet you down. His name. It's LHOTE. First name is Gary.
Gary?
So apparently, this case right here, this one here with Judge Carter, there's a search warrant on. You don't have a copy of the search warrant, so we may appeal. Would that be with like the municipal court though? Because Judge Carter told him to talk to a clerk in regards to the search warrant that ended up getting served on him.
Case, it's gotta be OP, other papers.
Well, and that's what I was looking for, and I couldn't find it. I didn't realize it was mixed in with
Well,
the other
I
stuff,
had
so sorry.
seen, no, you know what, I had seen that it was 27, don't worry about it.
27 pages long.
27, and I'm like, okay, what is, you know, it's okay, don't worry about it. There's 20 pages here. Is that what you wanted?
Is it the return search warrant?
That's, on there was written about, whose signature was it? Sorry, it looked like, Judge Carter. Yeah, let me see this for a minute.
I know it wasn't my judge's signature.
Okay, this is Judge Carter. This is the Assistant District Attorney,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So I have no clue who that is, but I know that that's Judge Carter,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Well, the handwriting that you have here, that's all my hand-printed stuff that I have gotten. But I couldn't tell who the judge was, and I was looking for the return search warrant.
That's all, that is all I have.
And the only reason why you have this is because I turned that into Judge Carter. This is what they gave.
Okay, then what I would think, give me that back for a minute.
I'm just going through it, and I can tell that all this handwriting,
That's all yours.
that's all my stuff that I had turned in. Yeah, this is all my stuff that I turned in. And there is,
Jefferson County.
yes. I live in Jefferson County, and I question the authority of Waukesha coming out to Jefferson County and serving this search warrant on me. But I don't see the return search warrant. There is no return search warrant. This is all my paperwork that I had turned in already. And what I'm looking for, well, one, you identified it is Judge Carter. I couldn't tell by the handwriting. And two, the return search warrant.
Do you have the email from Zach? Yeah, because that's it here.
And I question the authority, the legal authority of Waukesha coming out to Jefferson County.
I can't answer that for you.
I understand. What about the return search warrant?
This is all we have.
And the only reason you have that is because I gave it to you. I don't mean to argue with you, I'm just,
Well, we can't provide you something that we don't have, though. That's part of the issue.
That is the
I
issue.
no.
That is the issue, that you guys,
Oh, just wait a minute, not
Okay.
me.
I'm not pointing, I don't mean to
These
point
guys.
fingers at
These-
anybody.
These guys.
Right,
These guys, you need to go back to the source, because I am giving you what I have.
correct,
I cannot give you something I don't.
correct,
I do not, this was not signed by one of us.
correct,
This was not numbered by one of us.
correct.
And you're looking at the people that would have brought it in and would have processed it. I'm giving you what you gave me.
That's correct.
So, what I would do is, if I were you, and I cannot tell you what to do,
I'll listen to your advice.
go back to the police department, because you have police reports in here,
Correct,
okay?
correct,
So talk with them.
okay.
I can't, you have to maybe start at the beginning, but
Okay,
like I said, this is all I have, and this is what you gave me.
that's
and
correct.
That's it.
I accept that. Their, Judge Carter and the police department, as well as the city attorney, have been going around the same issue for 2 years. I have not been able to get Waukesha Police Department or the city attorney to release that information. Both of them refer me to you guys and Judge Carter to get that information, and 2 years later, I still can't get that information. I question the validity of that search warrant from day one, since the day they served it on me, and I question the legal authority from day one of whether or not you can come out to Jefferson County in my home and do that, because it was all Waukesha Police Department out there in Jefferson County.
Well, we can't speak as far as that goes.
Correct.
But if we don't have something, we just
If we-
can't provide it.
I understand.
I can't
I
give you
understand.
something that I don't have.
I'm going through the motions because that's what Judge Carter said. He said, well, just go see one of the clerks, kind of a thing. And I said, well, okay. But to answer your question, I've been to the police department and the city attorney. This will be about my 15th time for the same issue. And I had to go to Judge Carter to get them to release that information. And they were instructed by Judge Carter to release it. I'll go back to the police department and the city attorney and just tell them what you guys have found out.
Ellen, can you search the WK number? Why don't you do that? Because
That's what I was just doing. I'm trying to